Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a baby sloth. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start up here at the top of the page and we're going to draw the hairs on top of the baby sloth's head first. And they're two loopy lines like that. And now we're going to start where we started and we're going to do an arching line down over like this. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. There's no rush. And we're going to loop it back up like that. And then we're going to do another loopy hairline like that. And then we're going to do a curved line down like that and stop right there. And now let's go back up to the top and we're going to do a curved line down for the other side of the top of the head. And we're going to loop it in like that. And then we'll do another loopy line like that. And then we'll curve it down and stop right about there. So that's the head shape of the sloth. Now, down from the top middle hair, we're going to do the mask shape, sort of the face of the sloth. So starting here, it's kind of like a stretched heart shape. So let's start here. And we're going to go over this way and we're going to arch it around like this. And we're going to go all the way around to back where we started. All the way around. Take your time now. This is a long line. All the way up. And now back around and connect it there like that. Okay, let's draw the face now inside here. We're going to start with the eyes. We'll do one eye right here, and it's just a circle like this. And then we'll do another circle over on this side. Like this. And let's do some highlights. Another circle, smaller circle inside that circle. And then we'll do an even smaller circle inside of the bigger circle like that. And let's color those in black. Okay, now let's draw the sloth's nose, and it's kind of like an oval shape, but it comes down. It's kind of comes down to kind of a point and then comes back around like that. And maybe we'll do a little highlight, so we'll do a little separation here on the nose. Actually, no, let's just make it black. That looks cuter. And let's do the mouth now, and it's two arching lines down and up. Down and up, kind of like U shapes. And let's draw the mask on the eyes. There's like a dark lines they have on the sides of their eyes. So starting up here at the top of the eye, we're going to do an arching line over like this. And then we're going to do one at the bottom too, across like that. And we'll do the same on the other side. So starting at the top of the eye, we'll do an arching line over like this, and then at the bottom of the eye, an arching line over like that. Okay, now let's draw the body. So we'll start with the sides of the body. So starting here at the bottom of the head, we'll do an arched line like this, a slight curved line, and we'll do the same on the other side. Okay, and now we're going to do the feet. So starting right here at the bottom of this line, we're going to do a curved line, almost like an oval shape that comes around and hooks back in. And let's do the same on the other side. Down, and then it hooks in there like that. And let's have these lines continue in so the foot overlaps the body and gives a sense of dimension and shape. There we go, like that. And now on the bottom, we'll finish the body off, and it's a sitting sloth. So we'll do the bottom right there for the bottom of the body. Okay, now let's do his arms. So starting here on this side, we're going to do a curved line around like this. For this arm, we'll curve around. We'll stop there, and then we'll do a little curved line like that. And let's do the same on the other side. So starting right about here, come in from the side of the body a little bit, and we do a curved line down. And we'll have them the hands touching each other. And we'll come in, and then a little curved line. And now let's do the finger lines. So we'll do one line like that, one line like that, one like that, and like that. And now let's do the bottom of the feet. So inside the foot shape, we'll do a big oval here, like that. And then 3 smaller ovals. And then the same on this side. An oval right here in the middle, that. And then a smaller ovals for the toes, or the toe pads. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm gonna make mine like a light brown colored sloth, but you can make yours any color you want. And we'll do a lighter brown, kind of a beige color, for the inside of the face. And let's do like a darker brown color by the sides of the eyes. It's almost like a raccoon mask. And we'll use the same color for the bottoms of the feet. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe for a new doodle every day.